Welcome to another delicious journey. Today, we're making a classic Italian dish full of flavor, stuffed grape leaves. They're perfect as an appetizer, side dish, or even a light lunch. Each bite tells a story of the Italian countryside, where fresh ingredients are cherished. Let's gather our ingredients. Fresh or jarred grape leaves, ground beef or lamb, whichever you prefer. Both options work wonderfully in this recipe. Cooked rice, onions, diced finely, garlic minced to release its full flavor, fresh parsley, chopped for a burst of freshness, grated Parmesan cheese for that rich, savory taste, and olive oil to bring it all together. And of course, don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance the flavors of our dish. If you're using fresh grape leaves, blanch them in boiling water for a minute to soften them. If you're using jarred leaves, simply rinse them under cold water and pat them dry. Now comes the exciting part, making the filling. We'll need some cooked rice. Let the cooked rice cool down a bit before we mix it with the other ingredients for the filling. A little tip: rinsing the rice after cooking helps remove excess starch and prevents it from becoming mushy. The flavorful filling. A symphony of Italian tastes. The filling is where Italian flavors come alive. In a large bowl, combine the cooked rice, ground beef or lamb, diced onions, minced garlic, chopped parsley, grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Mix everything well with your hands. Remember, you can adjust the seasonings to your liking. Want a little more heat? Add a pinch of red pepper flakes. The art of stuffing. Take a grape leaf, shiny side down, and lay it flat on your work surface. Place a spoonful of filling in the center. The filling can be a mixture of rice, herbs, and sometimes meat, depending on your preference. Be careful not to overfill. Leave some space for the rice to expand during cooking. This ensures that the grape leaf won't burst open. Fold the sides of the leaf over the filling, making sure to tuck them in neatly. Then roll it up tightly like a little burrito. The tighter you roll, the better it will hold together during cooking. Next, place them in a pot on a stove covered with lemon and olive oil sauce. Cook for 10-15 minutes on a medium heat and reduce to low heat for further 30 minutes. Finally, present your homemade stuffed grape leaves on a plate. If you enjoy our Italian snack recipes, please subscribe, like, and comment below what you would like to see next.